While audiences have always been curious about movie stars, their kids were heard about but rarely seen or photographed by the press. Most grew up away from the limelight, enjoying the childhood days and awkward teenage years away from the limelight. But all that has changed now, and ever since their birth, star kids are chased by paparazzi. There have always been stars and star kids, lekin with camera phones and especially with the explosion of social media, there seems to be an unusual amount of interest in the children of celebrities. While the media follows them to create content that they find audiences consuming, it can become rather difficult for a child who has absolutely no clue about why he or she is being followed to understand the constant crowds and attention. Here's the story. However, now celeb parents like Virat Kohli and Anushka Sharma are setting clear boundaries and requesting the press to keep their kid away from online content. Taimur Ali Khan.
Kareena ma'am, that's it. That's it.
Everyone adores cute babies, and Taimur, being super cute as a baby and toddler, made it easy for the country and the media to fall in love with him. While his parents Saif and Kareena didn't hide him from the press initially, assuming the attention would pass, Taimur soon started getting followed around everywhere by the press. एयरपोर्ट से लेके उनके स्कूल तक photographers हर जगह पहुंच जाते थे, and over time, Kareena and Saif also grew concerned about the obsession with their son and how intrusive the photographers were getting. As he has grown up, Taimur too has begun to dislike being clicked and followed around and has been spotted multiple times over the past year telling passers-by and paparazzi not to click his photos. Handling media attention is difficult for adults, but for a kid, it can become even more tough. Hopefully, with their second child, Kareena and Saif will come up with a better strategy to keep the attention more balanced and in control. Anushka Sharma and Virat Kohli's unnamed baby has captured the imagination and good wishes of an entire nation. But the couple has been extremely guarded about their child's privacy. They had established, even when Anushka was still pregnant, that they were going to keep their kid away from social media as long as possible and allow the child to have as normal and balanced an upbringing as possible. Anushka shared in an interview that she didn't want to raise a brat, while Virat spoke about keeping his cricketing achievements away from their home. The couple even sent press photographers a special gift package with a note requesting them not to click their child's pictures, while assuring them that the two of them would always be happy to pose. So far, the press seems to be respecting their decision, but let's see as time goes by. Aradhya belongs to one of the most prestigious families in Bollywood, and she is the daughter of one of the most beautiful women in the world. While they have had some unpleasant experiences with excessive press attention and photographers following them around, Abhishek and Aishwarya have managed to strike quite a good balance between allowing Aradhya to be clicked by photographers and ensuring that her privacy and personal space is maintained.